Hi there, students. To be walking on air, or to walk on air, normally this is in the present continuous. He's walking on air, he's really happy, he is ecstatic. Since he discovered he's passed his exams, he's been walking on air. Since he discovered that they've given him the job that he always wanted, he's been walking on air. Since she agreed to marry him, they have both been walking on air. So if you're walking on air, you're ecstatic about something. You're really, really happy. It's like you don't notice the world around you. Well, maybe you do, but it's like it's all in a dream. The fans were walking on air because their team had won. Okay, if you're walking on air, you feel really good about life. You feel that something really good has happened. Okay, so like that, you're walking on air. When was the last time you were walking on air? Yeah, when the doctor said that I was well again and that there was no problems, I was walking on air. I've been walking on air since I won the prize. When he discovered he'd won the scholarship, he was walking on air. I've been accepted to be a member of the team, and I was walking on air. When you get your first job and you get your first paycheck, your first pay packet, it feels like you're walking on air. You feel really good. So to be in this state of extreme happiness, to be euphoric, to be exuberant, elated, joyful. When each of my children were born, afterwards I was walking on air for weeks. Okay, so to feel elated, exhilarated, delighted, you're just walking on air. You just feel so good. He's been walking on air since his children were accepted for this special school. Okay, so walking on air, to be walking on air, to be really happy about something. They were walking on air, and who could blame them? After I was given the all clear, I was walking on air. Okay, so the origin is quite clear. It's as if you're floating around in the world, that you're a little bit disconnected with the world because you're just so happy about what's happened to you. And formality, walking on air, I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but stop there. Okay, so to be walking on air. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Walking on air.